late autumns, winters, springtimes steeped in mud. O drowsy seasons I love, and I praise you for enfolding my heart and my brain in a misty shroud, a cloudy tomb. In this great plain where the cold south wind plays, where through the long night the weathercock shrieks himself hoarse, my soul, far better than in the days of warm renewal, will spread wide its raven's wings. No thing is more dear to my chilled and gloomy heart, O dismal seasons, queens of our sad climate, than the changeless aspect of your pale shadows, unless it be on a moonless night, 2 by 2, to lay our suffering to sleep on a perilous bed.